On Saturday, May 23rd, the animal rights activist group called Direct Action Everywhere held their May Day of Action in downtown San Francisco. The action, also known as the Path to Liberation, attracted nearly 100 organizers from around the country. The group took their messages to 3 different locations over the course of the day. The group spoke strongly for animals at a Whole Foods store, inside a shopping center food court, and in San Francisco's busiest shopping district. This group's vision is to create this movement for animal liberation that is not afraid to say what they truly believe about animals.
For love. And we are asking you to join us in fighting for the animals of this earth and helping us light the path to liberation.
I know the feeling of being objectified. I know the overwhelming sensation of being disempowered when someone dominates and takes away my right to my own body. Food! It's violence!
It's not food!
It's violence!
I noticed, as I covered this event, the activists were laughed at, ridiculed, and even taunted by security, but they remained steadfast in their convictions. And lately, the Federal Bureau of Investigation has stated that people who abuse, harm, or randomly kill animals usually commit crimes against people later in the future.